My name is Kayleigh Cameron. I'm a Kentlake High School student in the Running Start program at Green River College, and the movie that I chose is To Kill A Mockingbird. The reasons that I chose this movie are that it shows more than one character's point of view on the case, and that it uses the case to simultaneously address a social issue. Throughout the movie, it conveys the views of all parties on the racism embedded in the case. The main character is Atticus Finch, a lawyer who serves as the protagonist. Because this movie is set in a small town in Alabama in the early 1930s, Atticus is also a source of controversy and a target of scrutiny because of a decision he makes. The case at play is a white woman and her father accuse a black man of rape, and as the story plays out, it is made clear to the viewer that the accused man is innocent and that the woman and her father are trying to cover up a social crime of their own. Atticus's connection to the case is he is appointed the lawyer for the defendant. His decision to take the case is the source of controversy because the other people in town don't think he should defend the man, and when Atticus makes it clear that he does intend to defend him, he is scrutinized for taking the side of an African American over a white family. Based on today's standards, there would be several things that are unrealistic, but considering the movie was set in the early 1930s, it was actually a pretty accurate description of the law, except for one thing. There's a scene in the movie when the defendant is being held overnight in the town jail, awaiting his trial the next morning, when Atticus gets word that there could be some trouble from some people in town. Atticus then decides to spend the night in front of the jail. This is unrealistic because it would be the local sheriff's job to defend the jail and not the lawyer. The one thing that struck me the most about the depiction of the law in this movie is that the problems that are shown could and probably do still happen today, where racism and white privilege can get in the way of the law and create unfair and unjust outcomes and situations. I would like to thank the Davis Law Group for this opportunity.